In this video, we'll show you how to add info boxes in Notion. So the first thing you need to do is to type slash call out and then click on call out, and then you will see that you have a box here. So you can type here, for example, this example only, and then you can change also the emoji here. So for example, I will choose this, and then the other method is type slash again and click on call out, and then click on 6 dots, click on color, then you can change the color of the box. So for example, I change the color it again to green, and you will see that the box is color green. And then I will type a words here, and then click on 3 dots again, 6 dots I mean, and then click on color. You can change also the text, and here you will see the blue text. And then the other method is type a word, click on 6 dots, click on color, and then change it to color green, and you will see that you have a color box here. So the other method is type slash and then click on database line, and here you will see the boxes here, so you can rename this here. So I will type the example, and you can show the icon here. You can change it, and then you click on plus sign to add the elements here. So it has a lot of elements that you can add this, for example, number. So click on plus sign again to add elements again here. So that's it. That's how you add a info boxes in Notion. Then here, click on open to add the information here like this. So type example. So type example again here. So this is what it looks like if you add an information here. And that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.